Well, hey, you viewers, being a later, how we doing today? And before I even get too far into this, go take this to mommy, because, you know, she's going to need that. Sorry. Woohoo! We're not going to cut that, but still. We have a weird one for you. We're calling this channel Takeover number 3. The Mr. Nobody Mystery Box. Yeah. So, have a supporter. Real wonderful dude I've known a long time. After I did one of my weird uncappings or weird unbaggings or weird whatever, he reached out and went, hey, I'm going to send you a care package. I'm like, dude, you don't have to. He was like, nope, I want to. But we talked about it. I accepted, obviously. And I made one stipulation. I am not going to reveal Mr. Nobody's name. And I did tell him ahead of time in our private conversation that we were going to call him Mr. Nobody. So, this is for the monsters. Seriously, I got them all lined up over here. They're all smiling at me. They've been mad because this box has been sitting around for a while. I'm building that anticipation. They're like, Daddy, just do the video. They're all over here giggling and trying to fight it back right now. It's kind of funny.
And it's been getting in the way of the microwave. Still.
Oh, it's been getting in the way of the microwave. Oh, you had to move a box.
In front of the microwave?
Wah, you had to move a box. Okay, so we've got some really interesting things in here. And we're only going to do a couple items. All right, we're just going to. Simply because, well, I don't need my kids on a sugar fit right off the bat. But the one I promised them we're going to do right away. And I haven't tried this one yet. I am very, very, very familiar with Kit Kats. That chocolatey goodness, yeah, but I've never had a Kit Kat churro. So, seeing how there's 4 of them in there, wait, 4, it just works out that way, doesn't it?
Isn't that a new flavor?
I think so.
Yeah, it is.
So if I just get the package open, we can get to taste testing. Alright, so if you guys haven't seen one of these little bits of goodness before, that's what the churro one looks like. Okay, there's one for you. Bradicus. One for you. None for you. Haha!
The last one is for Mommy.
No, I bought Mommy a different pack for her.
Yeah. And the thing is, on the bottom is a wafer, and then the top is just like the...
It's like
stuff.
chocolate, wafer, chocolate, wafer, chocolate, wafer. Okay? So, you done running your pie hole?
Yes.
Great. Insert Kit Kats. Go ahead. Now remember, this is science. We're having a scientific experiment. Alright, you guys let me know when you're done. Hold on. We got one who's still chewing. That one kind of shocked me. I thought she'd be done already. But still. Doing okay? Alright. Now, thumbs up, thumbs down. What do we got? We got 3 thumbs up. Tell me what you thought about it.
It definitely tastes good, but I can't say I tasted a churro because I've never had a churro before, so I don't know what a churro tastes like.
But it tasted good, right?
Yeah.
Okay. You.
I don't taste the churro. I kind of taste what you would taste from a normal Kit Kat.
Really?
Yeah, chocolate.
I sort of tasted like a mix of both.
Have you had a churro before?
Yes.
Okay.
Multiple.
Ooh, multiple. Ooh. Isn't he all Mr. Fancy Pantsy over there? Ooh.
Anyways, it sort of tasted like a mix of a churro and a normal Kit Kat.
Okay. So, yeah, I'm gonna have to.
Didn't you used to
I
buy
saw
us those at Walmart?
I saw the flavor.
If only I didn't drink all the milk.
I got milk left, so I'm good.
Yeah, I got one too.
There you
You're
go,
screwed.
sucker. Okay,
You're screwed.
there's a piece for you. There's a piece for you. Enjoy.
You gotta try some too.
Go on.
Yeah, I tried them.
Go. Okay, how we doing? The brat has this confused look on her face. It's kind of funny. Now she's giving me that angry bird look for hers, that, as I like to call it. Have you ever seen Jeff Dunham? You know, Walter, the really old dummy? No, not me, her. Yes, that's the look she has.
I'm done.
All right, you're done? Are you done? You must be, because you're glaring at me.
She's mad that you made her.
Let me see both hands. Wow, you ate that whole thing already?
Yes.
Wow.
He's a bottomless pit.
Yeah, I know. Okay, so, what'd you think?
Definitely very hot, like the flavor.
You.
Spicy.
Spicy?
I wouldn't buy it.
Okay, no, we're not done. Get back here.
I'm getting milk.
Okay. What about you?
I think
Spicy
they-
would buy.
Spicy, and you would buy it again.
Yes.
So, thumbs up, thumbs down, what do we got? We got 2 thumbs up, 1 thumbs down. Alright.
But
And just because I'm not a total jerk, sweet, hot, we're going to go back to something different, okay? This is the one, and there's other stuff in here that I'm going to give you guys, alright? But we're not going to do them all on camera. We do tater chips a lot here on the channel. We really, really do, alright? I have never had this brand before, alright? So that may have given away where Mr. Nobody's located out of. I don't know. But this is all dressed, and I knew he would just do that because I made fun of it with my Canadian friends. It says, sweet and savory blend of spices. Okay. Gluten-free, guaranteed fresh. For all you freaks, there's the nutritional stuff. So, let's get into some tater chips. That's what they look like. You ever love that with like a chip bag? You get a big bag, but basically you're paying for the air.
That's what chip companies do.
You know, what's that running joke? I bought a bag of air and got a potato chip. But still. All right, you.
Oh yeah, there was this funny video that
Here
a
you
YouTuber reacted to. They actually just got 1 chip.
Yeah, but it's a big one, I believe. Normal.
All right. In the mouth.
Sort of reminds me of a ruffle.
Another one. Good. All right, we all done? Thumbs up, thumbs down. 2 thumbs up, 1 in the middle. What'd you think?
At first I tasted the spice of a normal potato chip, and then it kind of got different. For the spice.
Good, bad, or what? Hot? What?
Good. Good. It got a little hot, but not that hot.
Okay. Brad.
It's not as spicy as the jerky stuff.
I would hope it wouldn't be as spicy like the jerky stuff.
Yeah, so it's
She
in
would've
that
tried
area that it's just a small amount of spicy, so I would be able to buy it again without my mouth being on fire.
Okay, so you would buy it again. Caden.
I could barely taste the flavor because my tongue was already burning from the jerky.
Yeah, like this time my mouth is still burning from it, Caden.
Now, this is what caught me.
But
Oh, go ahead. I'm sorry, I thought you were done. Go ahead.
it mostly reminded me of like this isn't the flavor. This is how it looks. It mostly reminded me of Ruffles.
Okay, but Ruffles what blend? I mean,
Like
because
any-
Ruffles is just a different brand of potato chip. This is Old Dutch, so it's a different brand of potato chip. It's kind of hard to fuck up a potato chip, buddy. But okay.
Aren't they all
Unless you
potato
don't know how
chips?
to make a potato chip.
All right, so hold on. We got one more thing we got to have y'all do. All right? This is what struck me. When I see all dressed, I'm thinking ketchup. Because that's what my Canadian friends call their ketchup chips, is all dressed. felt like I was eating a barbecue potato chip for some reason on both of them. I really, really did. If this was in my local store, my local Quickie Mart or whatever, yeah, I'd probably pick it up because no big deal. I didn't hate it. You know, it was one of those that's kind of cool. Now, like I said, there are additional items in the, you know, from the Mr. Nobody box that they will have later. It's just neat little treats, all right? But I picked 3 of the most random ones, and I figured let's have a little taste testing. Now, seeing how you guys got a gift from Mr. Nobody, what do you think you should say?
Thank
you.
you. Mr.
Thank you, Mr. Nobody.
Okay. Now, I'm at the favorite part of the video. You guys can go do whatever you gotta do. I know you got to shower. I know you got teeth to brush. I know you got stuff you gotta do. We're at the favorite part of the video for me. Like I said, this is channel takeover. Really weird video. I'm gonna say this before I roll the usual stuff. Mr. Nobody Brother, thank you. That was a very kind, very generous gift from you. They're smiling. They had a good time being over here, you know, doing the video and having a good old time. So I really appreciate it, brother. Thank you so much. Now, for the rest of you. Whoo! I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, all that fun stuff right down below. Have you tried any of these before? Now, granted, I was a bit of a jerk in the flaming hot beef jerky, but there's something in there to temper that for the boy. So, he's going to be fine. The kid's got a small piece. He had the big piece. So I know he's upstairs going, I don't know. Leave me all that fun stuff down below. How do you feel about these channel takeovers? My kids love doing them. I love turning it over and seeing their little creative minds working because they had no idea from the box what they were going to have. They know some of the other stuff that's in there. They don't know everything. Right? All right. Now, if it made you laugh, made you cringe, made you cry, made you do any of that during this video, and I'm pretty sure that I did because I have this great knack of seemingly able to upset one person. It's a gift. What can I say? It's a gift. Leave me a big old thumbs up. It's only going to show love and support for the channel, and that is always appreciated. But there we go, guys. The Channel Takeover Part 3, the Mr. Nobody Mystery Box. Thank you so much for watching this one. I hope you're having a great day today, a safe day today. I'll see all of you in our very next video.